Picture this. You're not just baking a cake, you're baking a human. Now that's a recipe that takes around 9 months and a whole lot of patience. Welcome to the adventure of a lifetime. Today, we're embarking on a journey that's as unique as it is universal. We're talking about pregnancy and childbirth, and not just the regular eat your greens and take your vitamins kind of advice. We're here to share 7 unique, game-changing tips that will make this journey smoother and healthier. Each tip is a milestone on this adventure, a stepping stone on the path to bringing a new life into the world. Just like any great adventure, pregnancy is filled with unexpected twists and turns, highs and lows, and moments of pure magic, so buckle up, future mums. It's time to embark on the most exciting journey of your life. Ever wished for a superpower? Well, during pregnancy you get one, a heightened sense of smell. Yes, you heard it right. Your nose becomes a superhero, picking up scents faster than a speeding bullet. This olfactory prowess is the result of hormonal changes during pregnancy, particularly the rise in HCG and estrogen levels. Now, this newfound superpower can sometimes be a double-edged sword. On one hand, you can sniff out that hidden chocolate stash your partner thought they'd cleverly concealed. On the other hand, certain smells can suddenly turn your stomach into a roller coaster. The aroma of your favorite coffee could make you queasy. The scent of a freshly baked bread might make you run for the hills. But don't fret, my super-smelling friends. There are ways to turn this situation around. Essential oils like lavender, peppermint, or lemon can become your sidekicks. They have a calming effect and can help alleviate nausea. Scented candles with soothing fragrances can also be used to create a tranquil environment. So next time you feel a wave of nausea coming on, light up a candle or dab a bit of essential oil on your wrists. This superpower might seem like a bit of a curse at times, but remember, it's temporary. Plus, it's all part of the amazing journey of creating life. So remember, the nose knows. Use this superpower wisely. Forget about the fountain of youth. Water is your new best friend. You see, during this exciting journey of pregnancy, your body goes through some incredible transformations, and water becomes your secret ally. Staying hydrated helps to keep your body functioning at its best. It aids in the formation of the amniotic fluid, which is your baby's first swimming pool, and helps in the development of the placenta, your baby's lifeline. It also helps to transport vital nutrients to your baby and keeps your body's temperature in check. But the magic of water doesn't stop there. It also helps to ease some of the less glamorous aspects of pregnancy. Feeling a bit constipated? Water to the rescue. Swollen feet making you feel like a penguin? Water can help reduce that too. And let's not forget, hydration can also play a significant role in preventing early labor. So keep that magic potion handy, and remember, hydration is key. Scene script. Who needs a gym membership when you've got a baby bump? Now, before you start envisioning bench presses and deadlifts with your burgeoning belly, let me assure you we're talking about pregnancy-friendly exercises here. You see, staying active during pregnancy is a bit like keeping a well-oiled engine running smoothly. It's not about breaking records, but about creating a healthier environment for you and your little one. So, what sort of exercises are we talking about? Well, let's start with prenatal yoga. It's a fabulous way to keep your body flexible and your mind calm. Plus those deep breathing exercises, they'll come in handy when it's go time in the delivery room. Then there's swimming. It's like a magic trick, making your baby bump feel weightless while giving your muscles a good workout. And don't forget about those endorphins, nature's own feel-good chemicals that get released when you swim. And how about some good old-fashioned walking? It's simple, it's free, and it's fantastic for your cardiovascular health. Plus, it's a sweet excuse for some fresh air and a bit of nature therapy. Remember, the goal here isn't to prepare for a marathon, but to keep your body moving, your blood circulating, and your spirits high. As always, it's important to check with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine during pregnancy. So ladies, let's turn that baby bump into a fitness bump. Eating for two, more like eating smart for two. Now don't get me wrong, we're not advocating for a diet here. Pregnancy is not the time to be counting calories, but it's also not an excuse to eat every chocolate bar in sight, tempting though that may be. The myth of eating for two has been around for ages, but let's debunk it right here, right now. You're not literally eating for an extra adult, You're nourishing a growing baby, which requires a surprisingly small number of extra calories. We're talking about an additional few hundred calories a day in the second and third trimesters. That's about the equivalent of a banana and a handful of almonds, not an extra three-course meal. Instead of focusing on quantity, let's shift the spotlight to quality. A healthy, balanced diet is key. Think of it as feeding your body the best fuel possible to help your baby grow and develop. Fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and dairy products are your best friends. Omega-3 fatty acids are superstar nutrients for your little one's brain development. You'll find these in foods like chia seeds, walnuts, and oily fish. Don't forget about iron-rich foods too, like spinach and lean red meat, to keep your energy levels up. So, future mums, remember, it's not about eating more, it's about eating smart. Sleeping Beauty had the right idea, minus the 100-year part. Now let's talk about the important stuff, the Z's. Sleep, my friends, is not only a glorious retreat from the world, but also a vital part of maintaining a healthy pregnancy. Imagine sleep as your secret weapon during these 9 months. You see, when you're catching those Z's, your body is working like a well-oiled machine, doing all sorts of amazing things. It's repairing cells, boosting your immune system, and most importantly, nurturing your little one. But the benefits don't stop there. Sleep also plays a starring role in reducing stress levels. Think of it as your personal stress-busting superhero, swooping in to save the day or night. When we're well rested, we're better equipped to handle whatever life throws our way. And let's be honest, pregnancy can throw a lot. Now you might be thinking, great, I'll just sleep all day then. But hold your horses. Too much sleep can leave you feeling groggy and lethargic. The key is to find your sleep sweet spot. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. And remember, quality over quantity. So mums-to-be, let's take a leaf out of Sleeping Beauty's book. Get those Z's. And while we might not have a fairy godmother to lull us to sleep, we do have the magic of a good night's rest. And trust me, that's far better than any fairy tale. Who said superheroes wear capes? Some wear baby bumps. And just like any superhero, you've got a secret weapon that can make your journey smoother and more joyful. It's the power of positivity. Positivity is not just a feel-good mantra. It's a potent tool that can help you navigate the roller coaster of pregnancy with grace and resilience. Let's explore how this works. Pregnancy is an exciting time, but it also brings a whirlwind of emotions and physical changes. You might feel like a balloon one day and a weepy hormonal mess the next. But here's where the power of positivity comes to the rescue. It's not about denying these feelings or pretending everything is perfect. It's about embracing the whole experience, the ups, the downs, the heartburn, and the kicks. Positive thinking can help you deal with stress and anxiety, which are common during pregnancy. It's like having a personal cheerleader in your head, reminding you that you're strong, capable, and doing an amazing job. And guess what? This cheerleader is right. You are creating life after all. Moreover, positivity can influence how you perceive the physical changes happening to your body. Let's face it, growing a human is hard work, and your body is the superstar doing all the heavy lifting. Instead of focusing on the discomfort, celebrate the miracle of what your body is achieving. Embrace your changing shape as a badge of honor. And here's a bonus. Your positivity doesn't just benefit you. Research suggests that an expecting mother's emotions can affect her baby's development. So by staying positive, you're also nurturing your little one's growth. Finally, remember to be kind to yourself. Some days, staying positive might be tough. That's okay. You're allowed to have off days. What matters is that you pick yourself up, dust off the cookie crumbs, and get back to being your fabulous positive self. Remember, future mums, you're not just women. You're superheroes, and superheroes always stay positive. Well, that was a roller coaster ride, wasn't it? And who said theme parks were off limits during pregnancy? We've sniffed out the superpower of smelling, guzzled down magical hydration potions, and worked up a sweat with the ultimate pregnancy workout. We've also mastered the art of eating, not just the how much, but the what and when. Then we delved into the importance of those precious Z's, because let's face it, who doesn't love a good nap? And finally, we tapped into the power of positivity, the secret ingredient to this beautiful journey. These 7 tips are more than just advice. They're your roadmap to a healthier pregnancy and childbirth. They're your compass, guiding you through the ups, downs, and roundabouts of this incredible journey. So buckle up, future mums, and enjoy the ride. Because let's be real, it's going to be a ride worth every moment.